in a side kick, but Darlings trying to shoot. Oh, that was close. Not bad. Oh, nicely given pass. Here's Atharva with the left foot, is blocked. Fine save. Nice attempt and through the legs, but saved. Hurricane FC, long range kick. The header, and that is a foul. Rishabh. Atharva plays it behind. Here's a shot. Anashek on target, but blocked. That ball in the center. Shaunak. And he has lost the ball there, but he has made a foul. Lot of space available, and that is saved. Cross, and that will be a goal. Fantastic. The cross from Rishabh is effective enough, and Shaunak gets the goal. 1-0 for Darlings. Nicely given ball, and that is a direct hit. Straight up into the bottom corner on the second post. Of Daksh racing to retreat and try and tackle. He got the ball there. Very good. But the air, that is a good ball. Attempted control. Foul. We'll be back soon.